for today's may makeup pa natin ang cousin ko na si Olga. Say hello!
Hello.
So, may makeupan ko siya. So, ito yung before. Like that. Nakain siya ng, what is that? Coffee jelly. That is coffee
This
jelly.
is the coffee jelly.
That is coffee jelly. Yan. Then, so, let's go. Pagkatapos ko pala, i-makeup si Audra ay ako naman. Let's go mga kalodi. So this is the result.
Bako guys.
So that it's done, guys. So we're a sister now. No, it's joke. That is my cousin. So before we tanggal yung makeup natin, magti-tiktok muna kami. So hindi mo naman magkasiligawat on some madumis sa mukha, diba, like that. So wash namin yung face natin. So let's go na. Okay ka na?
Yeah.
Ito ko sinantok gusto mag-cellphone. So let's go na. So guys, mag-ano yung hair niya. So let's go.
Hello guys. Finish na si Tita Risa magtalis sa akin po. Ito na po siya. Ito na po.
So ito na po siya. So
Ito lang mapangit yung dito.
hindi kasi yung isa lang kasi yung
Dapat pa ganito. Yung black.
yung naging.
Bulan.
So